welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. But if you have been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a foundation chain. So this is the first step after knowing how to make a slip knot. So without further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to show you how to make a foundation chain. And in my previous videos I have showed what are the materials needed to crochet, and also I have showed how to make a slip knot. So if you have not watched my videos, please go back and watch them. So for the time being, I'll show you how to make a slip knot again, and then we'll start the foundation chain. So put the end of your yarn on your right hand like this, and then using your left hand make a loop and hold it. So it should form a cross like this, and hold it, and then again using your left hand make a smaller loop and insert the smaller loop inside the bigger loop and take it out. And now you have to pull the end slowly. There you go, that's your slip knot. And now you can insert your hook inside the slip knot and pull it. So that's the starting of any crochet. Now I'll show you how to make foundation chain. Okay, now wrap the yarn around your finger as long as you're comfortable and you have, like, you think you have the correct tension. Now hold the end of the yarn using two of your fingers and your thumb like this. Now you have to wrap your yarn around your hook like this, and now pull it and put it inside the slip knot. That's your one chain. See? Now again we'll do it. Wrap your yarn around your hook and put it inside the chain. Again, wrap your yarn around your hook and put it inside your chain. Wrap your yarn, put it inside your chain. Wrap your yarn, put it inside your chain. Wrap your yarn and again put it inside your chain. This is what a foundation chain looks like. Here you can see it. Let me do it few more times. Wrap your yarn and put it inside the chain. Wrap your yarn, put it inside the chain and take it out. Again, wrap your yarn and put it inside the chain and take it out. Again, wrap your yarn, put it inside the chain and take it out. Okay, there you go. That's your first foundation chain. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys really like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing there is a bell icon. Please go ahead and hit that bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you get notified. And thank you so much for watching, and happy crocheting. Bye.